It's time for you to stop believing your own BS. The absurdity is that you think that you're not good enough. But you know what? You're 5. And you didn't decide anything. Someone else wrote that script and installed it while you were still loading. You know that voice saying, "Don't tell me why nothing is good enough." But it's not your source code. That's someone else's fear running in the background. You started asking permission to exist, all because of a program that you never even downloaded. But your source code was always there. Underneath the fear, you didn't delete your history because you can't. You can refactor it, keep the core, rewrite the rest, and write the lines of code to create the life that you deserve. Because you know what? You're the one driving. Don't forget that.